Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by preparing both devices so pairing is quick and reliable. First, make sure the Jabra has at least a short charge. Low battery can prevent pairing. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings and leave the screen active so prompts aren't missed. Now press and hold the Jabra pairing button until the LED flashes blue and white. That indicates pairing mode. Once done, your phone should start scanning automatically. If it doesn't, tap Scan or Add Device to find the headset. You'll now complete the connection step. Look for the Jabra model in the phone's Bluetooth list. Model names often include numbers. Tap that name to initiate pairing. Your phone may show a confirmation dialog or request a PIN. Common defaults are 0000 or 1234, but most Jabras use simple confirmation only. After you accept, wait until the phone shows connected or a headset icon. To verify, play a short ringtone or audio clip and make sure sound routes through the Jabra. If you hear audio, you're good to go. Finish by assigning the Jabra as the default audio device for calls and media in your phone's Bluetooth settings so it connects automatically next time. If pairing fails, restart both the phone and the headset, then retry. Removing previous pairings from the phone or performing a headset factory reset can clear conflicts. Make sure the Jabra app is installed and update firmware if available, because outdated firmware often causes intermittent issues. One quick tip: toggle phone Bluetooth off and on again to clear temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.